This Amway home product demonstration will be performed by Senior Research Scientist Phil Sleva. To perform this demonstration, you will need Amway Home Dish Drops Concentrated Dishwashing Liquid, 1 large drinking straw, a medium-sized clear drinking glass, tap water, and a tray. The purpose of this demonstration is to show the incredible concentration of Dish Drops Concentrated Dishwashing Liquid. First, fill the drinking glass half full of tap water and place it on the tray. Next, place just the tip of the straw into the Dish Drops Concentrated Dishwashing Liquid. Show that only a drop of the liquid is on the end of the straw. Now, place the straw into the water and take a deep breath. Blow into the straw and watch as bubbles are formed, quickly filling the glass and overflowing onto the tray. Keep blowing until the tray is filled with bubbles. This demonstration shows that Amway Home Dish Drops Concentrated Dishwashing Liquid formulation is super concentrated by generating huge amounts of suds that pile up on the tray. As long as the demonstrator continues to blow through the straw, the suds will continue to form and spill out of the glass.